guys, welcome to another YT Wolf video, and in today's video I am going to be coding a game. Yes, this is future me talking, and I am coding a game, but just a reminder, you should leave a like and subscribe, because then you'll get a free cookie and you'll be able to play this game when it's done. There's a QR code at the end. Okay, back to the video. I wanted this game to be a game where there were two monsters, a blue one and an orange one. The blue one had a spatula, and they have to try to hit the orange one with the spatula as many times as they can without getting hit by the orange guy without a spatula, and you try to get a high score. I started out by getting all the sprites. Next, I made the scene. There's a blue guy and an orange guy on a field, and they can move around so far. You play as the blue monster, and the orange monster is controlled by the computer. Next, I made it so when the orange monster touches the blue monster, then the blue monster will turn into a dead blue monster. I also made it so it says you lose when you get out. Next, I started making the spatula. It follows the blue monster great, but it doesn't change directions when you move left, and it doesn't get the orange monster out. This is what it looks like when the spatula changes directions. I also made it so when the spatula touches the orange monster, it says you win, but that's too easy, so I was going to make a point system. I removed it saying you win when you hit the person with the spatula, and instead I added a variable named score, and whenever you get out, it will say your score. The variable increases every time that you hit the orange monster with the spatula. This is what it looked like. Overall, the game is pretty fun, but you can just spawn trap the orange monster because they respawn in the same place every time. To fix this, I made it to go in a random location, but then it might accidentally appear right behind you. So I made a warning, which is a gray version of the orange monster. This gray variant of the monster will appear right before the orange monster appears to give you a warning. This is me coding that. The game was finished, but the only thing it was missing was a title screen, so I got to work on that. I took this start button and I made a yellow version of it to better fit the theme of the title screen. I finished the yellow start button and I got to work on the actual title screen. I made it say spatula at the top, and then I looked up if I spelled spatula right. I did. I added in made by YT Wolf. I put in my start button, and I added in the spatula. Next, I added in the background. Then I made the start button work. I also added in finishing touches, like making the space bar reset the game. And just like that, my game was finished. If you would like to play it, scan the QR code on screen right now, and don't forget to like and subscribe.